Your body is made up of molecules, and these molecules are constantly vibrating. All that you see as the work of science in the outside world was manifested from your thought in your own mind. Hence, we need to be aware of creating our mind the way we want it, so that we can manifest what we want into our real world. Welcome to another episode of Mind Over Matter with Sankit. In this episode, we'll be simplifying the law of attraction and talking about how it tends to work. So understand that the law of attraction is a very unique law in nature. It doesn't really seem evident like the law of gravity or the law of magnetism. However, whatever we see as the progress of science outside began in some person's mind. That is, without thinking and imagination, nothing can manifest into its tangible form. Just because we cannot see something evidently, it does not really mean that we can easily dismiss it and call it a myth, because science is such a subject of study which should always be open to new possibilities. Now recall that your body is a molecular structure and it is vibrating at all times. And even when a person is dead, the molecules in the body keep vibrating. Now, until you were a little baby, until you were about 5 years old, whatever you saw in the outside world are things that you do not really remember. Most people cannot recall their childhood before 5 years of age. However, the interesting thing is that whatever you see until the age of 5 gets stored in your subconscious mind. There is a distinction between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The mind with which you are carrying on this logical thinking right now is your conscious mind. However, there are many things that get stored in your subconscious mind. You might have noticed how if you had a fear of something in your early childhood, you are still scared of that thing, even if you know it's logically flawed. This is because the impressions made in your subconscious mind is so strong that it takes your conscious mind a lot of effort to get rid of it. Now, whatever you establish in your subconscious brain, whatever you feed in your subconscious brain, stays as what is called a paradigm, which means that it becomes the way of your thinking. This means that all the thoughts that you have in your conscious mind is in some way related to your paradigm, that is your pattern of thinking. Notice how your pattern of thinking is somewhat similar in all aspects of your life. There's this quote which says, "How you do anything is how you do everything." And this is very true, because no matter what you're doing, you always have your guiding principles, your core values that lead you to do something and not do something else. Now, when you think of something repeatedly from your conscious mind, due to the vibrations going on in your brain, your subconscious mind also notes the frequency of your thoughts, and it also becomes programmed to understand that you want to do that particular thing. However, note that only thinking about something is not enough. But if you do it well, when you think about something continuously, you will start working hard to get that in your real life. When you start dwelling in a certain frequency, when all your thoughts become of a certain frequency, your emotions also cater in to this particular frequency. Similarly, you will also start attracting like-minded people, because your life will mostly be hovering around this particular frequency, and you'll only click to people who have a certain mindset and who have a certain point of view towards life like you do. Generally, people criticize this law and say that it's not a natural law. However, we do not even need to complicate it so much. We can simply call it the law of determination or the law of confidence, because the entire point of the law of attraction is to let go of self-doubt and let go of thoughts that do not let us progress. Now, sometimes even if you want something really bad, say you say that you want a house really bad, but Since your subconscious mind believes that you are not wealthy enough to buy your house, no matter how much you try with your conscious mind to get a good house, you will not, because deep underneath, you'll have this belief that I am not capable of getting myself a house. So what you need to do for this is that you need to repeatedly think about something in your conscious mind and also work towards it in your daily life. Now, when you repeat something, you might be aware that the neural network associated with that particular thought gets strengthened and strengthened. This is the sole reason why musical geniuses perform so well, because they've repeated the same notes for a long period of time. Similarly, the sports people also practice the same set of physical activities for a long time, due to which they become perfect at it. On a similar manner, you need to repeat something so often and work on it so often that it will somehow manifest into your real life. Now, understand that law of attraction is no magic, but then it's a gift from the universe that you can use to your advantage. Now, if someone doesn't believe in the law of attraction, it will still be working for them, because if you think of negative things, you tend to attract negative things in life. Now, when you repeatedly think about something in your conscious mind and convince yourself that you are getting there, your subconscious mind is also convinced, and you'll see for yourself the magic that your subconscious mind unfolds. So basically, what the law of attraction posits is that you need to have positive thoughts in your brain, and you should always be grateful for what the universe has given to you. Due to this, you attract all the positive frequency in the universe, and this helps you to get closer to whatever your goal is. If you like this video, do not forget to press the like button. Also, if you like whatever is happening here at Sound Health Solution, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also to press the bell icon. Until next time.